Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Today in this video, I want to talk about how to easily and steadily earn passive income. So let's get started, and in the meantime I'll open my first trade and you go ahead, subscribe to the channel and like this video so I can continue sharing such useful tips. Well, I've already selected the first currency pair. Let's choose it on the trading robot and start it with a 1-minute expiration. We have a buy signal, so we open a trade for further price increase. And while we wait for this trade to conclude, I want to say that I partially agree with the opinion that trading is difficult and unpredictable, especially if you're just starting out. Yes, financial markets require deep analysis and often seem too risky. But what if I tell you that you can earn from trading without complex strategies and constant market monitoring? What if there's a way to earn passive income even if you have no experience in trading? That's why you should pay attention to my trading robot, which can do all the work for you. And most importantly, it is available for free, and you can connect it via the link in the description below this video and start earning today. This trading robot is designed for everyone who wants to earn on financial markets. Easy and simple. And unlike a human, the robot is not subject to emotions. It doesn't experience fear, greed, or panic. On the contrary, it operates according to a clear algorithm that analyzes the market and finds the best entry points for a trade, right at the moment when it is launched. You no longer have to sit in front of charts for hours, worry about every trade, and fear losses. But I want to pause here for a moment. Let's watch the chart movement, because here, it's quite a tricky situation because the price essentially remains at the same level and we need it to rise. So, let's keep watching to see if the signal given by the robot was correct. But yeah, you can already notice that. It's starting. The long-awaited price increase, the long-awaited growth. So very soon I think we will be able to lock in this profit from the first trade. Meanwhile, I remind you that you can connect this same robot to your system and start trading profitably today. So don't waste time and get connected. Meanwhile, we are locking in the first profit from the first trade. We have a positive result and the first profit. And let's not waste time, let's move straight to selecting the second currency pair. To do this first, we restore our trading robot and look at the next currency pair. Let's go with the Australian dollar to the Japanese yen. We also select the same currency pair on the trading robot. And we start the trading robot with a 1-minute expiration. That is, it will give us a signal for 1 minute, and we have a sell signal, so I will open this second trade for a price decrease. In the meantime, I want to reassure you and say that if you have never traded before, don't worry. The trading robot is so easy to use that you don't need to understand complex strategies or market analysis. All you need to do is connect the robot via the link in the description and it will start earning for you. It is suitable for both beginners and experienced traders who want to automate their trading and eliminate the influence of emotions on the results. Or you can simply use the trading robot to confirm your own signals, your own technical analysis that you are working with. Of course, it's no secret that no one can predict the market 100%. There are times when the market becomes too volatile, for example, during the release of important economic news. And in such moments, even experienced traders can make mistakes. And trading robots can give false signals. That's why it's important to know when it's better to trade and when it's better to wait. And the optimal time for trading is during periods of stability, when the market moves logically and predictably. I have already talked about this in one of my previous videos, so if you're interested in learning specifically about this, go ahead and watch it. But I can definitely say that this is one of the main rules, out of the 3 rules that I can highlight, working with a trading robot. And the second rule involves risk control and the correct choice of position size. Because even if the robot shows high accuracy, it's important to manage capital wisely. That means not placing too large a position in hopes of quick profit. The optimal position size is no more than 1-2% of the deposit per trade to avoid large losses. But for now, let's take a pause and wait for the completion of our second open trade. And there it is. We can lock in the profit, which means a second gain in today's session. And I think, as usual, we won't waste time. We will already move on to selecting our third currency pair for today. This time, I want to, as usual, place a trade with a 1-minute expiration, so let's go ahead and change to this 1-minute expiration on the broker. And of course, we update the robot and select our next currency pair for today. As usual, a high payout percentage is what we need. And let's settle on the currency pair Australian dollar to Canadian dollar. So we select the same currency pair on the robot and also set a 1-minute expiration and launch the signal. And we have a sell signal, so we open a trade for further price decline. In the meantime, I'll tell you about the third rule. It states that you need to let the robot work, but don't forget to monitor the process. Because after all, the robot is a tool, not a magic button, earn. And you need to monitor its work, analyze the results, and adjust the strategy if necessary to achieve maximum profit. But in any case, it is designed to minimize risks and maximize profits because it uses precise algorithms that help avoid unnecessary losses and thereby increase the profitability of trades. If you have doubts, you can watch its work in real time. Just connect it via the link in the description below this video and test it yourself. But I also conduct joint open trading sessions where I trade together with this trading robot, and you can view all these results on my open Telegram channel. I will leave all the links in the description below this video, and for now, we can take the third profit for today. As a result, all our open trades closed with a positive outcome. Today, the robot gave us excellent signals, hence the great result. But I will say goodbye to you until we meet again in the next video. Bye everyone!